welcome to our channel. Take notes. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can temporarily deactivate the Facebook account. For that, you need to open the Facebook account and logged in into it. And on the top right corner, you will see the three-line icon. Tap on it and tap on the gear-like icon on the top of the screen. And you need to tap on See More in Account Center. Then you need to tap on Personal Details. You'll be access to this page where you need to tap on Account Ownership and Control and tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on the Facebook and now you need to tap on Deactivating your account is temporary, so tap on Continue. And now you need to tap on Continue again. You need to enter your password to continue, and once you enter the password you can tap on continue and you can easily deactivate your account.